6 simple steps to opening a bank account. You may be wondering how to open a bank account. Fortunately, opening a bank account is a simple process that anyone can do with minimal effort and knowledge. Here are the steps you need to take. 1. First, choose your bank based on factors such as location, fees, and the features that you need. Some factors to consider include whether the bank has online or mobile banking capabilities, ATM locations near you, and any other services that might be helpful to you, such as student loans or credit cards. 2. Next, gather the required documents needed to open an account. This typically includes your social security number, a government-issued ID, and proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. 3. After that, select an account type that meets your needs. Options may include checking accounts, savings accounts, or money market accounts. You can also choose to open a joint account with another person if you plan to share the account with someone else. Finally, fill out the application form and sign any credit card agreements if you plan to get a credit card as well. You may also need to provide proof of identity and/or income verification at this stage. 5. Once your account is open, you can fund it by transferring money from an existing checking, savings, or money market account either online or in person at a local branch. You can also choose to deposit cash or use your debit card to make a payment. 6. Finally, wait for your debit card and PIN number to arrive in the mail. Once you receive these items, you'll be ready to start using your new bank account.